For learning objective C, we're going to identify constants, coefficients, and like terms. So let's do the vocab. Here we have an expression. It's negative x squared plus 4x. Remember, we already talked about terms. They're the parts that are going to be added or subtracted together. So in this particular example, we see that there's two terms. And the terms are, there's two of them. One of them is negative x squared, the other is 4x. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the various variables. Now on here we have two variables. We have x squared and we have x. So it's the number in front of the term. So the coefficient for the term negative x squared, the coefficient is the number negative 1. They just don't put the 1 there, but it's negative 1's the coefficient for that. The coefficient on the term of x to the x times 4, the coefficient is the number 4. Now, like terms are terms with the same variable and matching exponent. For example, if I said 3x squared and 5x squared, those are like terms, same variable, same exponent number. But if I said, 7x cubed and 5x squared, they are the same variable, but they're not the same exponent, so you cannot consider them like terms. The last vocab is a constant, and they're terms made up only of numbers. So what they want us to do here is identify the terms in the expression. For this first one here, there's 1, 2, 3 terms. I would say one is negative 11, the other is negative 7x, the other is negative 2x squared. The term does own the sign in front of it, so that's why I know, for example, the 2x squared owns that negative. Okay, the second example, identify the coefficients in like terms. First question, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do the like terms next. So the like terms, we have an x squared and negative 3x squared are like terms. We do have another set of like terms. We have the numbers, the constant. We have a plus 5 and a negative 10. So 5 and negative 10 are both numbers. And then we have only one x term, and that is just going to be negative 7x with no like partner. Identify the coefficients. The coefficients of these two terms, right here is a 1. The coefficient here is negative 3. The coefficients for 5 and negative 10, they don't have coefficients. Coefficients are only the numbers in front of the variable, so there aren't any. The coefficient for the term negative 7x is negative 7.